Phi baro kini gilonggi khubor bam tagasngi. Kaka Liengsuin Umroi kadang ya chakmat. Hendrai kidan bun kijing ki badan kam jingiram. Habun benta. Umentri rang ba kami Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma hagasngi palai uloong. Baga kam penhe kaka Liengsuin Umroi hari boy kadika kam ka bakham yeper. Bat ka badan kam jingiram habun kerdan bat jingi trilang jongbun kinong yok benta stakeholders. Habakran syikilat pathai kubor hasilong u Conrad sangma uloong. Bagani ka kam long ka basuk kam babun ki briu ki perkhan. Kadai ka kam ka badan kam jingiram habun kerdan bat jingi trailang bat bon ki nongsha benta. Kam dai ka basuk hendrai wat hapreng ki jing ngilala ban jam syakman bat menta ka kam kadang ya hakalenti ka badai ulaong. Umentri rangba ulapan pauru ba manla ka por kidang mi ki jing rin hendrai ka sarkar jela kadang trai shitam ban penbet yaki. Ula kedawru ia ka jingmi biang jang ka jing ya ka jia halor ki kam jaka kapla sya pentip sya ka sorkar hadin bala ithu ya ka. Em kumbala tip mensya nri ondala ithu ya ka ngilahak ban shim kia ba namar ka kta om tang ya ka kam jaka nri kam tam ya ka jing ya da bar ka jing shngan jang ki pat ba ula ong. U Conrad sangma ula ong ba ka jing shngan jang ki pat ba ka jing ya da jang ka jing ya lenti Liengsuin flight safety kalong ka bakong san ba ba namar kata ke sorkar kadang tray klem syong thaj hakatai ke benta. Ula pensyai rupa kani ka kam deka kam san pertain re ka kam ka bami hadien bala penpau pat ba ya ka bala syim khia ki bor badai pen. Wada prengi ni ki jing umentri rang ba ula pentikna baka kam penhe ka surong banyat ki Liengsuin bahe da ka bala ban mare jengai runway bar kiwi pat ki kam penroi kin om sha penslam. Onda ka jingi penbet ya ka benta baningkong ka dem ka kam penpra di construction kan sange baka kam pentai construction kan sedang. Hagaju kapor ngin dang trailang ban penbet iki wei par ki jing kentup ya ki kam pisa ulaong. Ula benrap ba ulaong ba usyania scam baka sarkar kana ban poi sya ka jengkut jing penbet halor kini ki jing Walau klem kwa bani simpat ba ya ki jing tip babnya namar ka jing dei baki kam jaka. Karkum ka jing thu lupa rough estimate u Conrad sangma ulaong balakmi lenti baha ubnai February hadu March arhajar arpnyo onna banzdang ya ki Liengsuin ki bakham he. La bandan ka tu ka ni ki jingkala haki benai hendrai kata kalong ka bala ban pediang. Akmi lenti baha usnem arhajar arpnyo in la ban pyndep ya baro ki kam kumbala thmu ulaong. Haga bakut umentri rangba ulaong ba ukurman scam baki jing ba minta kin om mi syu kum ki jing ki bakham kraw hakalawe bat baka sarkar kana ban weng yaki kat banang mi.
Track, number one. Again, a very complicated issue which required multiple levels of intervention and multiple stakeholders. So therefore, it was not as simple as one would expect it to be. But as I said, we are overcoming all the challenges. Things are on track. Small issues keep cropping up. We have issue of also another land issue that has come up again, which we are trying to resolve. I don't want to go too much into details, but that also is something that DGCA has flagged to us, and that involves again some land issues, and obviously more importantly, the safety of the flight and safety of the people residing in that area. So we are working on that front also. So while that particular issue was not flagged to us earlier, it got flagged when DGCA got involved, and rightly so. And therefore, it again put up another challenge for us. We are now working on that part. But in the meantime, as I said, the expansion of the runway and the work that is to be allotted should not be delayed. We don't expect much delay anymore. Once that part is done, then the construction will start, and while the construction happens, we will be working towards resolving the other pending issues that are there, which I'm very, very sure and confident that we should be able to get to that conclusion. But as I said, I don't want to share with you right now, but it's to do with, again, land issues. But apart from that, we are on track. I don't expect to have much delay. We had a rough estimate that we were hoping that by February, March next 2027, we should be able to start the larger flights. We could see few months up and down, which is okay. But I do expect that 2027 we should be able to complete and reach the target that we had planned. Again, as I said, this issue had come up. I hope that there's no further issues that come up later on. But if we are only concerned with the current issues that have come in front of us, I do see that we should be able to, as discussed and as I mentioned earlier to the people, that we should be able to fulfill the 2027 timeline.